Hey, this is Joey here at Best Trailers. I'm going to show you today why I like the 78 Aluma, 78 14 series Aluma, best for hauling my side-by-side with my hauling just one. Now this is 78 inches wide, 14 foot long. This is the tilt model. It does come with a ramp option. You get bifold ramp or standard ramp. I personally like the tilt option. I don't like dealing with gates. As you can see here, I just drove right up on it. It tilted back down. There's a bed lock on the front to keep the bed from tilting accidentally. It's real simple, real easy to use. This model's got stake pockets coming down the side. You've got 6 inches rails, so you can store some stuff in there if you need to. Don't have to worry about stuff falling out. They've just started adding the fender steps in front of and behind the fenders, so that's a new option there. LED lights go all the way around. You've seen those on all the Aluma trailers. Aluminum mag wheels, radial tire. Now these have got the torsion 3,500 pound axles on them. They do a bigger model now, where you can get a 4,400 pound or a 5,200 pound axle. This is a very lightweight aluminum trailer. Top of my head, I don't remember exactly what it weighs. I believe it's around 800 pounds. I'll look that up and put it in the video to tell you. Now, stake pockets here on the side, LED lights in the back. Got a knife edge style edge on the ramp here. So if you're loading a golf cart, lawnmower, something with little tires, you can still do that. The only drawback to having a tilt trailer is if you got to load 2 items, like 2 four-wheelers, and having it driving one on, then keeping it from tilting back. Some of the newer models do have a bed lock on them. Still, if you're going to have 2 vehicles, better to have one with a ramp on it. Come see us today. We've got all your Aluma trailer needs. We have a full selection of Aluma trailers in stock, from car haulers, utility trailers, everything. 478-654-5350.